Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is March 14th, 2022. And let's start taking a look at the NASDAQ futures. All forms of trading carry a higher level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved and necessary seek independent advice. U.S. government regard. Disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financials and instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock market. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, let's get into this beautiful morning. Let's see here. Alrighty. Which chart am I on? I am on that chart. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Mr. Mike here. Just want to make sure I can show you exactly what I'm doing here. And get my other chart available here. And we'll go from there. I got that one, and I got that one showing. And I guess it's that one, I think. Oh, that's not showing well. Just give me a second here. There we go. Now I can see them both. Okay, that makes it disappear. I should put this always up top. Let me just put it always up top. And I will show you what's my theory today. Where is that going? There it is, always on top. There we go. Okay. So anyways, good morning everybody, Mr. Mike here. And what I'm trying to do is, I'll start taking a look what this is. I'm trying to get a half a decent pullback. Oh, it's actually right there, that's perfect. It's there's an order block here, you can tell how she dropped down. So what I want to do is hopefully get back to the limit and one fire down again. We'll see if it's going to get into this grainy zone. And the reason why I chose it, I'll show you in a few minutes here. Now let's get to the other charts. Am I missing? No, this is the right chart. So let me just open this up. And we'll start from the beginning. We're kind of in a doji here. It's a squeeze. It's a little squeeze. I don't know if it's going to fire up, fire down. And the reason why I chose this line, let me see if I go back far enough, because we already hit the 13,000 level here, but I'm just trying to look for these next little groupings here. Could be even go farther down. But that's a 200-point move right here, from 13,000 on, and we're at 13,290. So that would be 5 6s. It would be a huge move to get to a next bottleneck. Okay, so we're still trending. This is it's going to be going for a while, guys. It's not pulling back. Anyways. On this chart here, why is it loading? Let's see if I can reload this. There we go. There we go. This chart here, as you can see, we're still pulling down, and we got, let me get rid of this thing. Oh, she's done loading. It's on calculation. Let's see if I can go back here. What I want to show you is where's the market maker. This little region here is actually the overnight session market maker. So it could go right up. I might get tapped here, but I'm keeping my faith on the 9:35 signal to 11 o'clock. We do have an order block. If it breaks down, then we're going to go to this level here. Okay. And then looking at this, like I said, I want to see it to pull back close to an order block area. And if it does work well, we can keep on going here. Why didn't this reload either? Anyways. Let's see if I can go reload the script on this one too. So what's going to happen is I'll be back in 1 second. I know what my issue is. I am back here. Sorry about that. The reason why I forgot to put in my hard line in. I have, when I day trade, I put a hard line in, and then when I'm done, I go back to Wi-Fi. It's just the way how this room is set up. Anyways, let's take a look at the other chart here, which is working properly now. Looks like she's creeping up, creeping up, creeping up. We'll find out. And shows right at 9:33. So what I'm thinking is it might just do a quick pop up and come back down. Thing is, I don't like these numbers. See, it is 1% here and negative 0.9, so kind of grainy, but we are below the VWAP. And now I'll show you why I decided to put my limit order there, that location. If you remember, guys, I was telling you about this marker. I said it was a little bit of chicken. Oh, she's breaking down. Hopefully she doesn't break down yet. But you can see right at, I guess it would be 2 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. There was a major sell-off marker there, or high volume. So, and it might not be overly that much, but let me see here where it is. Yeah, so from regular 20 to 308, 183, 87, there's a lot of contracts that dump there. So that's my mark in the sand. So what I want to see is it creep up, creep up, creep up, come back up here, maybe do a deeper retracement. I'd put 49.50 right before the 50 marker and maybe a drop off. Hopefully get to 22 or 163 or 132 Fibonacci extensions. And that's about it. So other than that, we're going to be opening up in a 29. Well, that could be a 2,000 hit though. I don't think it's going to happen, but yeah, so we're within that 50% zone, right? So if you write in here, this is your 61, 50, 61 on the Fibonacci range. And it did drop a little bit lower, but what I'd like to see is we do have high volume, high volume, high volume. There's a big high volume marker here, but there's a lot of consolidation in this zone. So let's go like that. Volume point of control is actually down here, just before this marker. So you can see the volume point of control, ironically enough, I might be a little too high here, but I like it at the 49. I'll keep it conservative, just in case if she spikes it, I can always buy in later, or sell in. And that's where your volume point of control is at 41, and then of course the high 70% range is at 92. So 70% of the volume in this section is there. And then from 70% of the volume is down here. So they're playing between here and here right now on high volume. High volume to this zone, high volume that zone. So that's about it. And we'll just watch what these numbers are saying, and we'll go from there. Sorry, I'm back. It's my stupid internet issues. So basically what I wanted to do is I got it in where I wanted. I waited and I waited. Remember from market open I was saying I wanted for the red line. I got it right by the red line. Now hopefully she'll keep on going down. I'm going to shoot for $1,000 today, guys. Let's see what happens. And this line is so powerful. If you just be patient enough, right here, coming down, it's close to that level. Look like, wow, wow, wow. And this is where my marker was. And let's see if I can get her down there. There's now she's starting to curl. We loaded up the contract. She wants to come down again. So it's not a bad theory. It works really well. And we had volume point of control up here. She's going to work its way down for a while. And then at 10 o'clock, I'll shut her down. Here's our breakdown. 7, 8, 9,
Order filled.
There you go, $1,000, guys. That's what I want to show you. So in conclusion, what I showed you in the beginning of the video, I was looking at the market. Well, let's get to the market here. Excuse me. Which chart was, where are we? Why can't I find my chart? I should have a chart somewhere around here. One of them missing? Did I delete it by accident? I might have closed it. Has to be this one. It's not. Interesting. I got 1, 2, 3. I must have deleted it. I can't believe I must have deleted it. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so let's just go back to this one chart here. I'll just use this one right now. Frustrating. So anyways, as you can see here, what I was looking for is, because it's so erratic, what I saw first thing in the morning was this marker right here. And I said, what it usually will do, it will get attracted to coming back to it and firing down. We don't know if it's going to continue to go down or not, but usually it will take a nice bounce on a reversal. So I shot from here. I was a little late on it, actually. I wasn't paying attention because I had it up here and then I moved it down. So I got it as soon as I saw that. I said, we'll take this spike down. We're top of the hour anyways. So they're grouping up. It could go to 127. So now where this marker is set up, because I'm looking at first impulse move, second impulse move. Let's put a circle, projection, maybe 130, 113, 132. But see how they played around? You got destroyed, you got destroyed, you got destroyed. Oh my gosh, I was wrong. And then boom. Let it touch once, reverse. After that, we'll find out. And then, if you have any questions, feel free to email at abc123trader. Take care and have a great day. Bye.